In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam not enough disk space error. If you are seeing this message even though you believe you have space, it's usually caused by temporary download data, a stuck update, a confused library folder, or permissions that stop Steam from writing to the drive. We'll work through reliable fixes in a clear order so you can get back to installing and playing. First, open Steam and head to Settings. Then Downloads and choose Clear Download Cache. This wipes temporary files that can become corrupted and block installs. When you do this, Steam will restart and you may need to sign back in. So be ready for that. Clearing the cache does not remove your games. It simply refreshes the download system and often clears phantom no spaces errors. Next, close Steam completely, so it's not running in the background. Navigate to your Steam installation folder default, that's usually C drive program files. x86 Steam, Steam Apps, and open it. Find the folder named Downloading and delete it. This folder holds partial update files, and if one gets stuck or corrupted, Steam can misread available space. Don't worry, Steam will recreate this folder automatically and re-download only what it needs the next time you update or install. Now, make sure your drive actually has enough free space. Steam typically needs extra working room to unpack and set up game files. So even if a game says it's 10 gigabytes, the installer may require additional space during the process. Free up storage on the target drive by removing or moving large files you don't need there. Aim for a healthy margin of free space, not just the exact listed size of the game. After that, repair the Steam library folder. In Steam, go to Settings, then Storage. Find the drive where your games are installed, click the three dots next to it and select Repair Library. This checks the folder structure and fixes permission or path inconsistencies that can make Steam think it can't write to the drive. Finally, run Steam as an administrator. Right-click your Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. If Windows is blocking Steam from creating or modifying files, it can look like a space issue. Running with elevated permissions removes that roadblock while you install or update. Once you've done these steps, try your download or update again. In most cases, the error disappears and the install proceeds. Normally, if it persists, revisit the steps to ensure each one completed successfully. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.